Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu. And there the fireworks, the firecrackers. Be glued to your TV screens, because along with the firecrackers, along with the lights, the colors, it'll be a rainbow.
To ensure that the talent of Andhra cricket finds more amplification, the secretary of the Andhra...
Plus, that's a big bonus to get.
Hanuma Vihari will be calling.
Tails.
Tail is a call from Hanuma. And you won the toss. But
This time, no half measures, up and over. First boundary here for Arjun. He gets off the mark. And this is a very fine strike. Nicely pierced through the mid-wicket gap. That's a lovely shot to end over number 2. It's 14 for no loss. Catches the call. It's been taken on the second attempt. Arjun will have to depart. The move has worked to bring in the spinner. Malik Arjuna strikes. And the Amravati Royals draw first blood.
The right point. Bringing the spinner in onto the pads. He did miss that for the first time. But a fantastic take.
Yeah, good start. Yeah, that's in the gap. Beautifully timed as well. And that'll race away for a 4. What a way to get off the mark. KP Rahul has probably played the best shot of the evening thus far. That's high. And that's gone the distance as well. That's the GMR maximum. Well, this man means business in the middle, KP Rahul.
Whatsoever. Stands, waits and sweeps. And that goes right into the stands. Wow. This is huge. This is definitely a biggie.
Lovely strike. Wow. Gets plenty of bat on this one to cross the ropes as well. KS Bharat gets his first 6.
That is the commanding 6, the commanding power from the captain. Straight over the bowler and into those.
Easy pickings. That'll be 4. Just straying down the leg side, and KP Rahul obliges. Smartly done, beautifully placed, just using the pace. This man's looking good in front and in behind the wicket as well, KP Rahul. Beautiful strike. This man's looked good, so good in front of the wicket, KS Bharat. Playing it straight, stand and deliver, presenting the full face of the bat. That early blip. This one's miscued, gets the top edge, gets the distance as well. The 50 comes up for the Kakinada Kings. They're not holding back. And KP Rahul is putting on a show tonight.
And centre. Swings it once again. And guess what? It goes over the boundary for a good 6.
the 4th season now of the GMR APL. What a shot there. That's a really good strike. KP Rahul has been on song. He's bowling a touch shot on the occasion, him, but he was up to it.
Look at that. It's a half tracker. Rocked back and pulled over for a magnificent GMR 6 by Rahul. He's been very impressive.
Oh, that's in the air, but that struck pretty well. That's a delightful shot there from Rahul once again. Into the 40s now.
He has already hit 5 sixes. He's dealing in 6s, if I may say. You know, out of 40, 5 sixes.
But really well done. Down the ground this time. Rahul the batter and has gone the distance. That's a mighty strike. That's not big, that's huge from the blade of Rahul. The 5th 6 now for him.
The stadium. That's up in the air, and he heard me, surely. The shuttle and delivery, dropped back and pulled over square leg for a maximum.
Bowling short, you can't be bowling short against this man. It really is a very fine player of the back foot. Yes, Bharat, the 2nd 6 for him. Gets into really good position as well, swiveling across.
That's another one. Up in the air, over square leg for a maximum. 2 short deliveries and 2 maximum from KS Bharat. Rahul was hitting ball all around. Look at that. A half tracker, rocked back and pulled over square leg. You thought he was in the play, but sailed over it.
Once again, it's Apesh taking the hill route and he's gone the distance as well. KS Bharat now into the 40s as well.
Come in. Runs have started throwing. 6s have started throwing from the bat of Bharat. 20 runs have already come off this over. Look at him. This is a magnificent shot. Off the front foot, it was a half tracker, but hit over long off.
And that's his 50. It's been a very fine innings from KP Rahul. Getting the applause, appreciation from his teammates, from the dugout as well. He's done a very fine job for his side. 50 or 27 deliveries. Come at a good time as well. They lost an early wicket, but he's come to the party here, KP Rahul.
The runs have been flowing. Nicely played. Beat the short third midfielder for a boundary. He moves on to 48. Just too short of his 50.
What an innings here by the captain of Kakinada Kings. Well, he's been resolute and he's a master in these situations and conditions, and the dugout as well stands up to applaud what has been a very fine 50 by the captain. He still has work to do, but he's just showing his class in the middle decade. Good use of his feet. That's the best shot of the evening so far. He was onto it quickly, and that's clean, and that's the GMR maximum. Yeah, he's picked the length early this time between deep square leg and deep mid wicket. It's raining 4s and 6s from both these batters, and they're not holding back tonight. This time wide of the field at shot third, 4 more. KS Bharat is taking down everybody in front of him tonight, the captain of Kakinada Kings. That's been put away. 4 more. Massive over this for the Kakinada Kings. 19 runs coming off it. 136 for 1. High, handsome, out of here, into the crowd. KP Rahul is dishing out a flurry of 6s this evening from his bat, and they're clean and long.
Sound that it made. Agreed, there was an error in the line, but look at that shot. Using the depth of the crease, bottom hand coming into play, and smack center of the bat, a huge long 6.
Wow, that's out of here. This man's in the peak of his powers, KS Bharat, the captain of Kakinada Kings.
An uninhibited bat swing and getting the desired result. High class batting here by KS Bharat.
Pressure on the bowler, he concedes a 6 of his very first delivery. Ordinary bowling, and that's out of here. What a hit. Huge, massive. There's no stopping KP Rahul tonight.
Bhatina trying to go for the Yorker, completely erring in his execution. But didn't err was KP Rahul. The trend continuing here. Surely been mighty impressive. Once again, covering that line, and this time toying with the field. Beating the short square leg easily. A welcome boundary. And the 150 partnership coming here for the second. Try to fire. This time holding his shape and getting the elevation. And a huge long 6 over long off.
Stop them. 8 6s for KP Rahul. He's batting at a strike rate of over 200, and so is KS Bharat. A one-handed flurry and flourish over there. And that was massive. Into the second tier. This man's exhibiting class. He's a master. Captain KS Bharat. He's just played percentage cricket and he's backed himself this evening. This one's high. Fielder coming underneath. Oh, it's been brought into play. Oh, it's gone for a 6. Dramatic end to what would have been a spectacular catch.
Take 2 players from under 19. That will give the more impact, and the new players will come.
Right, that's a maximum, and that's a wicket there. It's over to the commentators for now.
Right. Yeah, very nicely taken the deep as well. Of course, Pandu was the fielder there. Beautifully taken by him. Very nicely judged. And he's delighted there, Santosh. Getting the set batter out who was batting so well, KP Rahul.
He swings and he swings long. That's a 6 on the onside. KS Bharat is not going to stop. He will continue to take the score to where he wants.
Strike. The end of the 90s once again. Just that bat flow, that bat speed from KS Bharat. He's been outstanding with the bat this evening. Just the length that he was waiting for on the onside once again. Just clearing that skirting with a lot of ease.
He sees one more opportunity. He swings. This time the fielder will take it. That's the end of proceedings for KS Bharat. A little heated out there against Santosh. They have words to be spoken.
Once again, a batsman out in the 90s there. KS Bharat trying to up the ante. Very nicely taken in the deep by B. Vinay. The safe fielder. Then a few words exchanged.
Onto the pads, flicks, and that should reach the boundary. Fantastic stuff here. Santosh just losing his calm.
Bowler. That struck well. There's a man in the deep, but he's going to be a spectator. That's a wonderful strike. That's gone the distance. Another maximum from the blade of Tapaswi.
In a block hole, waited for it completely, and then just had to swing at the right time.
Last ball of the over coming up. That's in the air. There's a fielder coming underneath. That should be taken and is taken. So finally another wicket goes back here for the Kings.
From the fielder, Malika Arjun, watching the ball in the night sky, kept his eyes on it, goes down and nicely taken. Tries to swing that again, just under the pants. He was cramped for room, but it's a boundary. Yes, he was cramped definitely, but he's made sure that it reaches the boundary. Tries to swing that again. This time it's a huge fumble. He's given 4 runs away, and the bowler definitely will not be happy, Patina. He went in back. That goes right up in the night sky. Fielder comes under it and takes a catch at the last minute. He wasn't expecting that either. 29 for 4.
Yeah, trying to up the ante here, just trying to go for the big one. Didn't get hold of that one. Very nicely taken in the deep as well. An excellent catch there. Never is under lights. And Martina, of course, getting his first wicket.
Number 1, it's going to be definitely the first 2 batters there. KS Bharat, 93 on the board of 46. Then you also had KP Sai Rahul come in, 96 for him.
You see those economies, and that was the big worry for the Royals. 8.25 for Ayappa, bowled well the last over, although Santosh Kumar going at 11.5.
Ball number 1. Yeah, just tucks it away for a single off the mark. The Amravati Royals, they'll push for 2. Nicely fielded in the deep. 2 runs in this chase. This is much better. You could see the follow-through of the bat. He had to improvise and go over, and that's the only way now Hanuma Vihari thinks is the approach.
Getting the outside edge and comfortably clearing the first slip. A streaky boundary, but runs nevertheless for the Amravati Royals. This time getting the desired execution. Once again, made room for himself. Ball hitting smack in the center of the bat. And this time, Karan smacking the first 6 of this innings. The GMR 6. Excellent hit there by Karan.
That much needed impact here. How early and how beautifully he swiveled across to get maximum on that. Just helped it along the way. Got a lot of height, distance, and that travelled. Even the bowler lost sight of it. Beautifully carved this time. Over backward point. Wonderful execution. Waited on this and placed it beautifully. 6 followed by a 4. Wonderfully struck. Full flow of the bat. Yeah, he's picking the length early. Playing good on all sides of the wicket. Wow! Incredible ball striking. And that disappears towards the side screen area. What a way to end over number 3. 21 runs coming off it. 42 for no loss.
This time going over the offside. Smart option taken here. First 2 deliveries. Tried to go over the onside. This time held his nerve, held the position. Happened to finish the game.
And at the moment, this man's in a hurry to finish the game for the Amravati Royals. Brings up the 50 as well. Wow! Hold the pose, young man. That's another exquisite shot. Another good over this so far. How well he's executing his shots in the middle here. Wow, again, cracking hit. Straight to the fielder. Oh, a bit of a misfield. Oh, it's taken, beg your pardon. Flat and straight into the hands. And a very fine innings of Karan comes to an end.
Kamruddin having the last laugh here. This time going over the onside and found the fielder there. Good technique shown there. Kamruddin is delighted.
Help along the way. Fine up in the circle. And they'll race away for a 4. Good start to over number 5. Brilliantly struck. Just how beautifully he got into position early. He's eyeing that region, back-to-back boundaries and pressure on the new bowler Tapaswi.
A good range showed there by Karan. And this time, The inside edge helping the Amravati Royals captain. Hanuma Vihari now marching on to 39. And this time, Tapaswi getting the better of a set Hanuma Vihari. Once again, fancying that onside. Went inside the line and completely missed that
Last
delivery.
laugh, hit for 2-4s of his very first two deliveries. This time Hanuma Vihari trying to repeat the shot towards backward of square leg and just saw.
He goes straight to the fielder. That's nicely hit. For a maximum. This is what they need. Rahul said, you have been talking too much. Let me show you what I can do with the bat. GMR 6. GMR 6.
Yeah, Tapaswi can't be bowling so short because once you bowl those half trackers, it's much more easier for a batter. SV Rahul gets into a good position, a lot of power behind that one.
That's up in the air. Wonderful hit by Rahul once again. That's an expensive over turning out to be Rahul. First was a half tracker, this was a length ball. Smashed over long on for a maximum.
Yeah, taking his right foot away and just making room for himself and carving it away beautifully. Taken on the fall, it's high up in the air. The skipper calling himself. And Sirikar Bharati bounces that catch. He won't miss that opportunity.
Went for one big hit. It was a low full toss. Sliced it. It was high in the air. But Bharat will not miss this kind of opportunity.
He's on much better into the bat. Sandeep on strike. Bowling shot. That's picked up beautifully. That's high up in the air. And it's gone the distance as well. You can't be bowling short here. Maximum exactly what he's trying. But lovely shot.
Another short length delivery. He has not learned it. His lesson, a short one. Rock back and pull. Couple of boundaries. That's another one. That is another one. Back-to-back 2 sixes. There, Rahul left the chase.
Yeah, Manikanta is the new bowler and he's bowling both sides of the wicket and you can't be doing that because the field. Oh, edge. That's edge and that's taken as well. Regulation take for Bharat. Another one.
Wicket number 4 goes down. So no foot movement at all. He was trying to play on the onside and looking round the wicket. That's nicely bowled. Up in the air, straight to the fielder who made no mistake. That is the idea. He's taking the ball away from the right hander.
The problem is the last few overs they've been losing those wickets and once again going for the big one. Didn't get hold of that. Nicely taken in the deep. Another regulation take, but they have to be taken. Once again, thick outside edge, running away. That's going to be a boundary. Well, the ball. That's once again up edge, just clearing that fielder with a lot of ease.
Nicely played, beautifully driven through covers for 4.
Yeah, this time just clipping it. Once again the gap, another boundary here. They are still not out of the game here, the Royals.
As of now. That's nicely played, another boundary. That's what I'm saying. Already 13 runs of this over.
In the league. Swings that again. This was a full toss delivery and goes for a 6. That is flat.
And nicely dealt there by Vijay.
Swings that. This looks big and mighty. And yes, it'll be a 6. That's a GMR 6 of the match. Another one.
This has just been the 10 deliveries that Pandu has faced, but he's been mighty impressive here. Good head position, clean bat swing, and a huge, humongous 6 here over long.
Swings again, straight over the bowler's head for a boundary. Fantastic here from the capital Amravati Royals, the Kakinada Kings. There, he's taken the charge on, and it does go for a 6. Big and mighty. That's how we'd want to finish. 15 now in 12 ball. Oh, is there a chance? Taken! You reckon he's taken that catch? We'll have to have a look at that once again.
Wasted on that grass. Really a close call. Nice effort there by Sudarshan. And then this. The ball touching the grass.
Tries to slam that. Fielders looking for it. And this time takes the catch comfortably. Super stuff.
First, this full toss accounting for the dangerous Vijay. Tried to really tonk it over mid-wicket. Could only...
Swings it once again to long off. Who takes the catch? 2 wickets in a single over. We spoke about how this match could turn on its head. And wickets is all the Kakinada Kings wanted.
And this time a pace-off option taken by Tapaswi. And his friend there, helping him out. 7th wicket down.
Swings again, and this time it's going to be a catch for Rahul. No, it isn't. That's a biggie. They're already celebrating. The capital Amravati Royals. They feel they've got this in their bag. Swings it, and that will be the winning shot. Fantastic here. Amravati Royals win the first game, and they win by 3 wickets and 4 balls remaining. Rain comes, rain goes, but it doesn't affect them. The Kakinada Kings are feeling the heat. They did everything to make sure they take those wickets, try and get back. But it was the capital Amravati Royals. Yeah, this 6 should definitely be in contention for the GMR 6 of the match, because that is a winning hit. So calm, so cool. Ice in my veins. Looks back at the dressing room and bat in the air. That's how you do it.
173 was the target that he needed to chase in just the stipulated 14 overs. Hanuma Vihari, the captain, starting brilliantly, 39.
It was Tapaswi who picked up 4 wickets. He was the pick of the lot for them. But when you look at the others, he just could pick 1. Pramod got 1. Kamaruddin got 1 as well. And 5 in 20 overs. KP Rahul and KS Bharat, 96 and 93 together. And then you had Amravati.